Good morning, students. Welcome to San Academy, Pallikarnai, Class 10 Mathematics. Today's class, we are going to learn the November month portions. There are two chapters are there for November month. One is chapter 2, chapter 13. This chapter carries, we are having the 10 marks. Okay, areas related to circles and surface areas and volumes. Let me see first areas related to circles. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to cover circles and related terms and area of a circle, areas related to a circle, perimeter of a circle, sector of a circle and its area, segment of a circle and its area, and then areas of combination of plane figures. Is it very important? We are going to learn new three things in this: areas and sectors and areas, segments and areas of combination of two figures. So let me see what is a circle. Circle can be divided into three parts as we know that one. One is interior and on the circle one is exterior. The interior of the circle, suppose A is a point interior of the circle, then point A is interior. And on the circle and then exterior is some B point is the exterior of the circle. In the given figure we can see that a circle divides the plane into three parts. Yes, three parts: interior, exterior, on the circle. And next we go for chord, as we learned in our already previous chapter circles. Chord. What is a chord? PR is a chord. Yes, the line segment touching a circle at two distinct points is a chord. Yes, P and R is a chord. And what is the next one? And the next line segment PQ. PQ also, if we join, it is also chord. Yes. So diameter. What is the diameter? The diameter, the chord which is passes through the center of the circle is called a diameter of a circle. That is the longest chord in a circle. Longest chord of the circle. And now we know, if you see, the circle can be divided into two pieces. One is major arc, one is minor arc. So now if you see PR is minor arc, PQR is major arc. Which is arc? A part of a circle is called a arc. Yes, part of a circle is called a arc. Now PQR and PR two parts. PQR is bigger than the PR. So this black line is called minor arc and this PQR is major arc. Okay, here is a part. Okay. And let me see the next part, segment. What is a segment? A part of a circle is called a arc. It is dividing two. One is major, one is minor. If it is dividing passes through the circle, it is called a diameter of a circle, semicircle. Now the same thing, if you see the chord, a circle can be divided into two segments. One is, if it is occupying the more area, is called a major segment, and one is called minor segment. Okay, this is a major, this is a minor segment of the circle. The region, now so what is a sector? The region between two radii and the arc, then it is called a sector. The same way, this blue part is called as a dark blue. This blue is called as a, what is that? This is major sector, and this also sector only. This also sector only, and this quadrant circle where we divide is called a minor sector. Okay. Now you know what is the area of a circle. We learned in class 7. What is the area of a circle? Pi r square. Yes. And what is the area of a semicircle? What is a semicircle? Half of the circle is called a semicircle. What is the half of this area of a circle? Half pi r square. Then half of area of a semicircle is half pi r square. You should know the very well formulas. Okay. What is the perimeter of a circle? 2 pi r. What is the perimeter of a semicircle? It's half of perimeter of a circle plus diameter, because this perimeter means adding all the sides or the circle also. This is the circle part plus diameter also you should add. Then half of 2 pi r plus d. So what is the half of 2 pi r? 2 to cancel pi r. D is nothing but 2 times of radius. Then if you take r, pi plus 2 into r is called, or pi r plus 2r is called the perimeter of a semicircle. Now if you know that one, already we know a minor sector as an angle theta, and major and minor will be equal to circumference of the circle. The sum of the arcs, major arc and minor arc is called the sum of the circle. That the same way, sectors of a circle is equal to areas of the circles. Okay, and then boundary of the sector consists of arc of the circle and the two radius. You know what is a sector? It's nothing but boundary of a sector consists of arc of the circle and two radius. Okay, now let me see the what is the formula of a sector. Now this is a major sector and this is a minor sector. Yes, this part. This two radius and a part of a circle arc then. So it is made by angle is theta. Then what is the area of a circle? Pi r square. Yes, pi r square. Then theta by 360 into pi r square. That is called area of a sector. Theta by 360 into pi r square is called area of a sector. It suppose this angle is 30 means 30 by 360 into r is something 2 means if you substitute you will get the answer. So theta by 360 into pi r square also can be write as a 1 by 2 LR. What is the L? Length of the arc. So length of the arc will be, if suppose they did not give the angle, if they give an angle, you should substitute theta by 360 into pi r square. If they did not give the angle, it is half into L into R. This is the area of a sector. Okay. Now if you see angle subscribed by a 1 minute tan, what will be there? What is the angle subscribed 1 minute tan? If you say circle and if you see that this is a minute tan, circle and this is a minute tan will be longer than the hour hand. Okay. So now how many minutes it has taken? Suppose the minute hand is at 3, it has passed to the 4. Then 3 to 4 how many? 60 seconds, you know very well. Yes, 60 seconds only 1 minute. So what is the angle subscribed by the minute hand? As we know the total angle is 360. Then 360 by 60 is what is the 6 degrees. Then what is the, if either you take hour hand also or you take minute hand also, the degree made by 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock is 6 degrees only. The degree made by 5 minutes also, that is 15 minutes to 20 minutes also 6 degrees only. 0 to 5 is 6, 0 to 10 is like that multiples of you have to add it 12, 18 like that, it's going on like that will come for you. So the angle substitute hour hand in 1 minute, for 1 minute will be 30 degree. 30 degree in 1 minute, hour hand means minute hand is 6 degree because 60 into 5 minutes, 1 minute, this is 5 is there. So 60 into 5, 30 degree. That is very important this part also. So I hope you know what are the formulas we are going to use in this exercise based on the area of a circle, area of a semicircle, perimeter of a circle and area of a sector and area of one is area of minor sector, area of major sector, and we'll learn about the area of segment in next part 2. Thank you students.